Make sure you supervise them.
Okay, over here, guys. Come here. Babies. Surprise. We have a surprise. Surprise for you, baby. Open, baby, open. What the heck? It's already talking.
Babe, they already have that.
What's this? Oh, let's change it.
Oh no.
Let's change it to something else. We don't want to open this one yet. This thing is going crazy. Sorry, baby. You get to open this one, Lovey. There you go, baby. Here, Alex. Open. Open, baby. Surprise. Open, Alex. Look. Look, baby. Open. Open. Open it. What is it? Alex, open yours. Alex, open this one. Open this one, baby. What's that? Open. Ooh. Ooh. What's that, baby? Wow! Oh, cool! Oh!
It's the same one you had before.
We're gonna open it this time, though, right, baby?
Hopefully we have batteries.
Wow! 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 Oh, wow! Look at this! Okay. I think it needs battery.
Of course it needs battery.
We'll see. On. Wow, look at that, baby. It's shiny. Shiny.
It needs batteries.
Yeah, it needs it. Don't bite it, baby. It's not food.
Well, baby, he's not ready for the control. Just put the control away.
Yeah.
You can just push that thing around.
Okay. Okay, Lisa, let's open yours. What's this?
Let her open it. She knows how to open it.
Open it. Oh, it's a surprise. Surprise. Here. Wow. And there's an egg. What's an egg doing in there?
Hey, really?
Wow. Shopkins truck.
That's
Shopkins
that's
ice
yours.
truck.
Oh, really?
Wow, baby. Let's open it.
Babe, don't open that now. Really? You're going to open that? It's going to make a huge mess.
Okay.
Are you just going to play with that?
Well, yeah, it's hers.
I thought you wanted me to make a video with that.
You can.
Look how much stuff is in there.
Is there a surprise in here?
Give her the other one, the Eileen wrap that she can open and play with.
Oh, okay.
Besides, she probably wants to play with the paper. Oh, yeah, she wants to play with that box. Oh, yeah. What's that, baby girl? Merry Christmas.
Here, Lisa, open this one from Auntie Eileen. What is it? Open it.
Baby, that Shopkin has too many little parts.
I was going to take the little parts away.
No, you just save that for later.
Okay, here, honey. Boo! Look at Daddy. Where's Daddy? Boo!
Yeah.
Boo! It's Christmas Eve, and Alyssa is playing with the box. Best present ever. Best present
Hey.
ever.
Where's Alyssa?
Where's
Alyssa?
Santa? Where's Santa? Where's Santa, baby? Santa! Yay! Yeah, open it. Open it. What is it? Ah! Open it, baby. What is it? Come on, open it. Open it, baby. Right here. Open. Open. Wow. What's in there? Oh, what's in here? Open it. Alyssa.
Good. She likes her box. Alright, foam box. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, little girl. Merry Christmas.
Boo! Boo! Alex, how do you like your truck, honey? I know you like that one. Look how shiny those wheels. Nice. What's this? Whoa. Whoa. Very cool, baby. Cool. Alyssa, open this one. Open this one, Alex. What is it?
Right,
Oh, cool. It's a blanket.
it's a blanket.
It's
All
Frozen
right.
blanket. Now we can get rid of the baby blanket. Now you have a big girl blanket. Ooh. Cool. It's really soft.
Oh, you're gonna take it, aren't you?
No, it's for her.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yay. Yay. Alright.
What's he doing? Sleeping? Night-night. Night-night, Alex.
Night-night with that. Night-night. Night-night. Put your brother to bed, baby. Ah.
Alright. Oh, Alex, what's that? A box? It's the box.
Everybody likes that.
It's the box. I guess we're keeping that.
Night-night,
Santa.
baby. Night-night. I guess it's comfortable. Boo.
Night-night.
Where's Daddy? Boo.
Night,
Boo,
night.
Daddy. Boo.
Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Alex.
Boo. Where's Daddy? Go find Daddy.
Great. We got them a box for Christmas.
Got them about. Baby. 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 Boo. It's your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Not Alex's turn. Your turn. Boo, Alyssa. Okay.
Alright, more presents. More presents.